I gotta say, I think I found the coolest or the coldest tumbler over here that I was looking for. This is so good. Not only looks fantastic, by the way, they have so many colors and so many patterns. They have so many really good patterns that if you need to give this as a gift to someone like your wife, your husband, your partner, something, whatever, your mom, your dad, this could be a really good one. Just check all the other designs and patterns they have. But this one, it is number one. This one, it is 32 ounces. The other good thing about this one, it comes with silicone everywhere. Silicone right here on the bottom part. So if you put this one like in a glass coffee table or something like that, it won't damage it. But also this one right here is going to be really good for your car holder. So that's another good thing. Also covered right here with silicone as well. But also it is sleep proof, as you can see over here. So that is another good thing. If something happens in your car, that is another good one, because this one, it has liquid inside. It also has ice. It will keep your drink cold for, I want to say, like about 12 hours or more, because it is triple insulated. You can see the chrome of this one, how looking good. Besides, it comes right here with this handle. This one is, I want to say, the ultimate one. But if you don't like this one too much, you can actually replace it with this one and chug it if you want to for like the gym or something like that, and replace the handle as well this way over here. And if you don't like any of those two, you also have this one with the retractable lid, which I think it works fantastic. These two, you can replace this silicone wrap over here as well. But again, the coldest one for sure, the coolest one also, because this one looks really cool. Also good for the car, and for sure, whatever get this one is gonna be super happy with how it looks.